Guys, this is Sekhar Suman, final year undergraduate BTech student at IIT Bombay. So today we are going to discuss about reagent, Grignard reagent, and the preparation of alcohol by using this reagent. So Grignard reagent, Grignard reagent. So first of all, we will know what is Grignard reagent. It is a organometallic compound, and the symbol of this reagent will be RMgX. Right? Now, coming to the next part, we will know how it is prepared. Grignard reagent. So, we will take any alkyl halide in the presence of magnesium metal. As we know, magnesium metal is a electropositive compound, so it will carry plus charge. So this charge will this magnesium atom will satisfy their valency such that it will form RMgX, and this carbon will carry negative charge, and this carbon will carry positive charge, and this halogen will carry negative charge. And what I will use the medium? I will use the medium dry ether. What I will use the medium? Dry ether, because I won't use H2 as a medium, because this H2 will give H plus proton, which will combine with carbanion. This carbanion is this reagent is highly reactive and unstable, so it will easily form alkane. Right? Now we are coming to the next part. We will prepare the alcohol from the by using this reagent. Okay, so alcohol using Grignard reagent RMgX. Right? So note point, very important. This is very important. So we will I will prepare alcohol from formaldehyde, any types of aldehyde and ketone. So this is a formaldehyde or any kind of aldehyde or ketone in the presence of this reagent RMgX, and it will form alcohol. It will form alcohol, and there will be three types of alcohol. It may be primary alcohol, it may be secondary alcohol, and last it may be tertiary alcohol. Right? So now we will see the mechanism part. If you will get the mechanism part, you can easily find the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Right? So we are going to discuss mechanism part. Okay? So mechanism. Right? So we will take, I am taking formaldehyde as a substrate, and we will get primary alcohol. Right? So this is a formaldehyde, right? In the presence of this reagent, Grignard reagent RMgX, and you know this magnesium carry positive charge, and this carbon carry negative charge, and oxygen is very electronegative as compared to carbon. So this pi bond will go there and negative, and this carbon will carry positive charge, and this carbon will attack at carbon, and this Mg will attack at oxygen. Right? Then it will form COMgX HRH. This is a intermediate part. Right? Now what I need? I need protons. So from where I will get the proton? I will get the proton from water. You know, H2O water is dissociated into H plus ion and OH minus ion. and this H plus ion will combine at oxygen. This H plus ion will combine at oxygen, and this OH minus will combine at magnesium, and finally it will form alcohol. OH, H, R, H, and this is a side product. This is a side product. So what type of this alcohol? This is a primary alcohol, right? So similarly you will get the secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol by using this mechanism.